In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different, not any like beauty related. I wanted to show you guys my easy everyday green smoothie that I literally drink every single day. It's like my go-to drink in the morning. I just been really trying to like substitute coffee for like more like healthier smoothies or like juices. So this is my go-to green smoothie that I drink, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's so simple, so easy, so quick. It literally takes me like 5 minutes to make, and I just make it in my NutriBullet here. This is the most convenient blender ever. It's so easy to just throw everything in your NutriBullet and just blend it up, and it's done in like 5 minutes. So pretty much what I use is just my NutriBullet, and then I'll fill everything up with the container that it comes with, and I'll use all my ingredients. Throw in some ice and milk in here first. The milk of my choice is almond milk or cashew milk, but obviously you can use the milk of your choice, the milk that you enjoy. But then I'll just go in and throw in my spinach. Obviously a banana for some great potassium. Pretty much that's what the main ingredients for a green smoothie is: spinach and banana. But then you can throw in all your other little fancy ingredients in there of your choice. What I usually like to add in there is either a green apple, kiwi, and avocado. The avocado is a newer like throw-in ingredient for me, and it has literally changed the game for my green smoothie. It just makes it so much creamier and just smoother, and I highly enjoy it. Way better with an avocado inside. So I just throw in just a little bit of avocado. Literally, it will change your smoothie game. If you hate green smoothies, try throwing like an avocado in there. I like to go in and throw a half of kiwi in there. Use a little bit of lime juice in there to enhance the flavors, and then some chia seeds. I just kind of like eyeball it. I don't put too much, just kind of just sprinkle just a little bit in there. And then you don't have to necessarily do the honey. I just like it just to make it just a little bit sweeter. I mean, it still tastes as good without the honey. I just like it just for my taste. So I just throw just a little bit of honey in there. For my smoothies, I kind of like my smoothies to be more like a juice than like a thick smoothie. It's literally what I do every single morning just to boost my energy, and I'll just drink it literally just like this. You can throw your little metal straw in there and drink it with a straw, but other than that, I'll just drink it like this, or I'll sometimes put it in like a mason jar, but most of the time I'll just drink it out of this big jug. Just more simple and convenient that way. I kind of want to try it with like pineapple or like some mangoes and see how that tastes, but for the most part, this is literally what I use in my smoothie every day, and I'm obsessed. So I'm about to turn this camera off and drink my smoothie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! So good.